Here we go. The NTG2 looks favourite again. It's got a wind muff on it now. Looks like a dead cat or a dead rat, but anyway. Let's go. John Hudding. I've got a new YouTube channel called Video Guy, or The Video Guy, or That Video Guy. I find it very complicated. I'm sure it's not, but there we go. Let's have a look at driving. There. Start up. Let's go outside. Alrighty ho. Let's have a little drive round and see how we get on. I think I was just about to take a job earlier on. Hope this works. I'm not planning to talk a lot over the outside view that we've got, nor the inside view that we got, and hopefully that's better. Let's just go back outside. Yeah, okay. Let's put some annoying reversing bloopers on, and the horn. But I'm not really planning to do this a lot. Let's go back inside. There we go. See if I can get over the job area in reverse. You'll hear it because it will go ding. Let's have a look. Right, we have got 3 jobs. 15,704, 21. I think I was going to go to Hanover. Or was I? Let's have a look. That one is trip distance 405, 1993. Yeah, it's got to be Hanover. I was going to say hangover there. Hanover. 2284 per kilometre. Or Milano. Now that's a new one that's open, because I think I got going east. I think. No, it wouldn't have opened up Italy, would it? No, I think I'm going to go for that one anyway. I'm going to see how it goes and see how the volume is. Thank you.